Greetings, everyone. Happy Gut, Happy Life is here. My name is Z, and today we are going to make some vegan crab cakes using lion's mane mushrooms. This is my first time experimenting with lion's mane mushrooms. And so basically what we're going to do is go ahead and pull those mushrooms apart. And what I do, I always pulse mine. I like to put mine in the oh yeah, I like to put mine in the food processor and pulse it. I don't blend. I just pulse for less than a minute, maybe a few seconds, and just to break it apart because I like the finer texture. Some people like the thicker texture, but I like the finer texture. That's my preference. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some seasoning like Old Bay. Got the ginger. Gonna throw some ginger in there. Got that kelp. Kelp. Got the sea salt. And as a thickening agent, a binding agent, I'm gonna go ahead and use the spelt flour. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. And the cayenne pepper. Can't forget the cayenne pepper. And if you want, you can dice up some onions, blend some onions in it. Oh, it's your preference. It's your crab cakes. So basically, I checked it out, see, because you want them to be able to stay together. And I use some kind of top or something. I had to go to a jar just to I packed it in there so that I can get that roundness, that perfectly round crab cake. And it's getting a little hard to take out, but I just take a spoon and just kind of like go around it so it can loosen it up. And voila, there you go. Perfect. And of course, I preheated the skillet medium high. Used about, I guess, a 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil and just let it fry on each side for maybe, I guess, about 45 seconds. Less than a minute, maybe a minute. I don't know. I can't remember. But voila, there you go. They're nice and golden. And these are delicious. They're delicious. They have a similar taste to crabs if you like the seafood before becoming vegan. But if you're not a vegan, it's just something extra to try out.